caught its dinner or lunch.
I don't know what it is.
There, it's too big for him.
Well,
It's hard to swallow.
yeah.
He can't.
It's biting its head.
Yeah, I think it just wanted. Yeah, look at that. The
Oh,
bird
lost
is eating
it.
the fish.
It just wants to kill it.
Yeah.
So it can take it.
Yeah. Then they can make it a small piece. Liam, look at that bird is eating the fish. Come on, Liam. Liam. You come over. Look at the bird eating the fish.
Go down.
Oh, did he eat?
Mm.
Oh my gosh.
He ate it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
look at his neck. I think he's gonna choke. You see his neck? It's all the way.
And you don't have
Oh my goodness. It will digest it.